The Silhouette Cameo 5 is an electronic cutting machine suitable for cutting various materials between 5 and 12 inches wide. To ensure safe and correct use of your machine, please follow the instructions in this video and read the user's manual prior to use. Begin with the box on a sturdy and even surface with plenty of room for both the box and the machine. Remove the roll feeder, cords, cutting mat, and any other items above the machine. Holding the center of the machine while lifting it out of the box makes it easier to take it out. Check the accessories to make sure everything is included. A machine, AC adapter and power cable, Cameo 5 cutting mat, which is 12 by 12 inches, auto blade, which is for cutting all standard materials such as paper, vinyl, heat transfer, and sticker paper, a handheld blade adjuster, used for removing the cap to clean the blade, the roll feeder, for holding rolled materials such as vinyl and heat transfer. Please read the included safety sheet, which contains precautions to use everything safely, because many packaging materials, including tape, are often missed when unboxing the machine. We will show how to remove them one at a time.